guys.
It's February.
No, it's 3rd, right?
It's yeah.
February 3rd.
That's crazy. Like actually, it's already February. I swear it was just January.
I know, but I feel like January also lasted like 2 months. Like I feel like the last 2 weeks of January lasted 2 months.
Probably because of the snow. I feel like that kind of lasted.
Oh yeah.
Like I don't know. It was just a break, so like it made it feel like it lasted longer. Anyways, I made banana pudding.
We already have.
And it's only like what, 8 a.m., 9 a.m.
You guys like my nails? Got that pimple right there.
Wow, you look very pale. I look very tan. Let's see what's tan.
It's actually cute though. No, yeah, it's like when they put Leo taking cute videos, look.
It doesn't really stay up.
Yeah, I probably couldn't even do that. Hey, you try doing it on my hair, because I don't even know how to do it.
Wait, let me practice on my hair first.
Okay. They said Billie always look like a dead guy at the Grammys.
A dead bride?
I'm guessing Court's bride.
Wow.
The best country album of the year. That made me mad. This shit looks like
Probably looks dumb.
No, look at this.
Actually, it's kind of cute.
Okay, let me try to do your hair.
We have so much going on this week. We have clinicals on Wednesday. We have to present our heads on Friday.
I think I forgot about that.
And
I have a lot of hair though.
Yeah. And I think I have a history test on Thursday. I'm driving on Thursday too.
But you have driving on Tuesday.
No, but then he wasn't here. Well, he couldn't do it last week for like 2 days, so we got pushed back.
Ow. Sorry.
I can feel it.
It was not hard. You have too much hair.
Yellow. Hey guys, trigger warning, but we're gonna be like fake wound.
It's not even gonna look real.
Yeah, but can I show this?
Yeah.
This is why I said trigger warning.
Trigger warning. Yeah.
For real trigger warning. This is our inspo. We got this clay thingy.
It's latex.
I mean, yeah, latex. It feels like Play-Doh, but stickier.
Today is a good day.
Okay.
Let's hope it's actually a good day and I'm not just imagining it. I wish you could like see what I'm doing, but I don't want to touch my phone with this latex.
Yeah, my hands are too dirty.
Yeah, like if it was like wet, like just like water, then like that's fine. But it's like sticky.
I made a heart.
Oh, nice. I had that one TikTok audio stuck in my head.
That much?
No.
I still don't know what you're talking about.
She said, baby, take your time. What's the rush? And
that
then,
sounds very familiar.
And then the next part was like, I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
That first part sounds familiar, but I'm a mutt. No, I don't know what that's referring to.
Yeah, I said, oh hey.
I was just, yeah, she's doing it on me.
I don't know why I said hey to her like that.
I thought it was baby.
Me too.
I made some lips. Actually, I didn't move the lips. Hold on.
Trust the process, bro. Trust the process.
It looks like there's like butter on my chest. Oh no, I think my body heat's making it
I think you need to
stickier.
stop. Oh, okay. Magic.
Wait, actually, it looks kind of good on camera. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's getting redder by the second.
What is?
My neck.
Wait, I had something to say and then I forgot.
We're going to the hospital,
Oh yeah.
but not for us, obviously.
We're doing a clinical today. What is it? It's the 5th. That's what it is. We're gonna record yesterday and I forgot. Wait, no, we did record. Today we're going to surgery.
Yay, we're gonna be in Scrubs, the horse Scrubs. I wonder what we're gonna watch today. Because last time it was like a...
They were like, they prepped for a very long time.
Yeah.
I don't even have any questions that week. We're gonna be prepared. Okay, that's it. Bye guys.
Oh my god. So,
guys, she just dropped her badge in the toilet.
What do I do? My pants are down. That's clean, right? That's clean, right? That's clean, right? Oh, wait, but that was such a bad idea. Wait, get out. Let it submerge in there.
Put some soap. Put some soap in it.
Okay.
Wash your hands. If we're late, just tell Corey that you dropped your
Oh
badge
my
in the
God,
toilet.
my pants are falling down.
Hey guys.
Or damaged. And I told y'all how it fell here in the hallway.
This is 6. Yeah. Somehow we're matching again.
It was as soon as the bell rang too. For the morning.
I'm taking shades though.
He was.
Are these for your leg?
Arm, leg, anything.
They're really long.
How was
Should I
that
take my
gonna?
foot
How
off?
was that? Should you take your foot off? Yeah.
I got bow socks on. I'll take this one. Hey there. Rest your foot on my leg.
But I'm gonna move it up. Oh my god.
Why are you? Why is this a mess?
It's like a rock. Hey guys.
Wait, what time is it?
Oh wait, I guess I'm gonna use this clipper book.
It's 10. Almost 10. It's February 10th.
Yeah.
We're selling cupcakes and brownies and cookies.
My eyeliner's going away.
Show them the cookies and cupcakes.
Wait, I don't wanna hold this. I'm just gonna put it here. Wait.
Oh my god. Dude, we've just been waiting for nothing.
We forgot to push the button to the elevator again.
No. This is so bad. Oh no.
Okay, so our teacher wants us to stand in the middle of the stairwell, like
Who's actually gonna be here?
no, for real, like who's gonna, and especially if it's like in passing time, like class passing time, so who's gonna come here?
Actually, people might. But like right now though, definitely not.
No. Do they even know? Did they even announce our announcements? Hey guys. So we
Why we
just
sound dead? Come on, cheer it up. Okay. We went to clinicals today.
yeah, we went to the ER.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Nothing really happened. We were just talking to this other student, and that's basically all our information.
Nothing ever happens in the ER. It's good lighting though.
Yeah.
Today we're going to
An arcade. We're going to the arcade today. We're going to eat like Indian food before. I'll see you guys later. What's today? Wednesday? Hey guys, we're at my house now and we're just getting ready to go out. But in the meantime, we're gonna try this bean boozled that I bought a while ago. And chocolate boners. We're matching today, like always, but okay. I have pink top, white skirt, white jacket. She got black skirt, pink top, and a black jacket. Yeah, matching the opposites.
I'm just.
Oh no, that's the
Liver.
worst one. Liver and onions.
Oh no.
Or what was it? Pomegranate?
Cappuccino.
Oh, cappuccino. Okay, it's this one. Liver cappuccino. I mean, liver and onions or
How come
cappuccino.
mine has about a bunch of dots and yours doesn't? Yours looks normal.
Okay, cheers. Wait, I'm really scared. Hold on, let's get the trash can ready because I'm actually really scared.
That bad?
Yeah, it's really bad.
Okay.
Like really, really bad. Okay,
1,
cheers.
2.
Ah!
I got cappuccino.
No. Okay, smell my breath.
No.
Yeah, it's really bad. It's
Dang.
really bad.
I got cappuccino. This one actually tastes good.
Oh no.
Stinky
socks are tutti frutti.
Yep. This one?
Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah, this one. Yeah, give me a sec. Thanks for calling us. Okay. Tutti frutti? We got tutti frutti.
Nice. Like this on our side? Okay.
Okay.
Rock?
You want to try the rock in the car?
Yeah, wait.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Wait. I just want to. It's kind of weird.
Spit it out.
No.
Stinky sock?
Yeah. Wait, why did it get bad?
It takes a while. We're in the car now. I thought you were gonna say.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say it.
Okay, we got the chocolate bar since we didn't get to try it earlier. Okay. Ooh. Okay.
That reminds me of something.
Okay. Me.
cái thể gì mà ra review mà con giữ luôn nè.
Yeah.
I like them.
It's like a big M&M. Okay, well. See you guys later.
Hey guys, we got our food. Wait, the show. Okay, we're gonna eat mukbang. What a chicken. Oh, there's no chicken on it actually.
We just finished.
Devoured. Actually, scraped the plate.
Bro.
This line's really good.
Can we take regular pictures in here?
Okay, we were doing the photo booth, right? We took black and white for like just a curtain. But no, it's freaking black and white. Oh my god. Wait, no.
You want this one?
Yeah, I like this one. No. Huh?
Is that gonna charge us more? Oh no.
You can't even do it. Excuse me? What? What do you mean? We paid for this.
Stand up straight. Nobody likes to slouch here. 2, keep your eyes open when you're taking a bite.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1.
It's so hard. Why not only one? What is wrong with this?
2, 1.
I don't want to keep wasting my money. Why is it so dark?
Okay, so we just got done taking pictures with the photo booth. Oh wait, I forgot to show the pictures. I'll insert a picture or something.
What? How? Okay, we took 2 here, and we took what? 2 here, so 4 tries.
Yeah. We did like 2 and 2.
Yeah, we literally spent all our money on freaking photos.
Yikes.
Which is really bad, but honestly, whatever.
But you know what? They were cute.
Yeah, they're cute. Let's see if we can find. Oh wait, I kind of want to play the piano.
Okay. I don't know what they're seeing, but
Piano.
I hope they're seeing that.
Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh no! No way.
Oh, you clicked 39, I clicked 36.
Oh.
Let's play again.
You wanna play again?
Yeah. Okay, and then redeem myself. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. What's next?
Squishmallow! They have a Squishmallow claw machine! Wait. I'm stuck my cart. Oh my gosh! It's gonna be big though. Wait, should I try it? How much is it?
Oh no.
That does not look like it's government tag.
No,
Ah,
this
it is
is
rigged.
rigged.
This
No,
is why I don't
really
put it there.
rigged.
No, I don't even know why I tried. No. But I went to the one in Utah and I got a bunny.
Maybe that one's like a lot easier.
I think so. No, it just made me want to feel like
Oh wait, take a picture of mine. Right there. Oh my god. Wait. I don't think so long.
Wait, is it still going?
No, wait, no.
But okay, so I got 47, she got 32.
Round one. Blue
We're
player
axe throwing. Okay.
You got a stick.
That was not. How'd you? How are you
got it.
getting more points than me though? Look, you just got 12 points. You didn't get anything. You hit the wall. You hit the wood. Is this rigged?
You got a stick, Tyson. Stick.
Oh, times 2. Okay.
Stick.
That might be rigged.
What's going on?
Killer.
Oh, I can do better. Oh, that looked kind of good. Okay, never mind. That was okay. Never mind. What the heck? Hey guys,
Hey guys.
we are almost there.
Yeah, it's kind of a good day.
February 19th. Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
But we're in the lobby today, so we're just gonna be in the cafeteria. And yeah,
And yeah, that's why we have her like hair down and like jewelry on and stuff.
see you guys when we get something to eat.
Yeah. Bye.
Bro, oh my. Can you just stay?
Do I need to get something?
Let me leave this here. BRB.
That's really good. It's like perfect. That's really good. Okay.
It's like ranch and mayonnaise.
It's so good, guys. Soy sauce.
Girl, why are you so fascinated with this one sauce?
I don't know. Like I didn't realize they would have soy sauce. This is it. This is
Okay, what is that?
What is what? Is that paper? That might be paper.
No, I don't think it's paper, yo. I think it's like the dried, like. You know what? I'm just gonna make you forget about it.
What do you mean? It was an extra lot of paper.
No, because sometimes it's like that, like you don't. Especially like if you get like milk like this, it's like. I don't know. It's like that.
Okay, we got like 10 minutes.
When you
Okay, we're gonna speak on this. Okay, talk a bit.
10 minutes.
Okay, because we have 20 minutes. Oh, it's kind of hard.
Oh, it's really dense and. I don't like coconut to be honest.
I love coconut. I like this. This is kind of sweet.
It's not bad.
It's kind of sweet, so I'm guessing we don't need this.
Yeah. Dry.
Wrong.
Sweet. Diabetes. Okay, we're gonna go. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
No, what birthday is it?
27th.
Today's the
It's
27th, and it's like 9:33. But we're gonna go see baby chickens outside.
Okay.
Oh my god, we have an A&P test today after this period, and then we have
What? AMP? What are you talking about?
AP Lang.
Oh, yeah,
AP
yeah.
Lang test after this, and then we have a U.S. History district assessment, and then yeah. Oh. I'm gonna find some money. Test.